Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you review of this metal body light. Here you can see that. Making videos also available on my channel. Here you can see that power of this light. There is on off switch button. To make this light I used following equipments. There is cob lights. To operate this light I used lithium ion battery cell. To charge this lithium ion battery cell I used this module TP4056. There is on off switch button. There's charging jack. Here you can see that power of this light. So friends, that's all about from my this video. I hope you will enjoy my this video. So don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my more notification of videos.